Hello everyone. In this video series we learn how to create a simple forum in WordPress, and that is a complete customized forum. We do not use any plugins or third-party APIs for it. We just use the code, simple code. Okay, so let's go and see how you can do that. But before that, let me show you a brief description of what we will achieve. Actually, at the beginning I should tell you that I haven't worked on the UI. Okay, so it has a very simple UI, and I basically let you improve that and change it as you like. I just worked on the functionality part. Still, it may needs a lot of things to be added, but it will do its job, and you can use it on your own projects and extend it as you like. Okay, so let's see how it will look like. We have a forum, basically button or a section here. If I click on this, it will go to this page where, because I'm now logged in, I see two buttons. One is for asking a question and the other is to go to my profile. And if I go to my profile here, it is still blank because I haven't asked any questions or whatever, and it will display me just a button. So now we are here to the forum page, and let's go to the dashboard and see how it looks. Here on dashboard we have a section named questions, right? Basically this is a custom post type that I created for collecting questions and answers. And if it has a icon with the name questions. If I click that, you can see that there is nothing. It means that there is no questions asked yet. So let's go and ask some questions. If I click this button here, this box will be opened. Create a new post that is exactly our question and has the title and the description. So I can say I can ask it random questions like how to create a custom forum in WordPress. Hello everyone, I like to create, excuse me, a forum functionality WordPress, and I want to do that without any plugin. Do you have any idea about that? Alright, this is going to be a sample. Then by asking the question here, we would have this box below, and then the question here and the description below that. What I say I haven't worked on the UI of this video properly is, for example, by asking a question, this box should automatically be closed. Okay, this is one thing. The other thing is, here we should have a section for comments. Okay, basically to reply to this question. Well, I created this section. If I reload the page, as you notice, we have the question and the pop-up is closed, and we have this section attached to our question. Leave a reply, the person who asked the question, and a button or a link to log out of the account. on the right side we have ask today. Okay, this is completely dynamic. For example, it is asked today. Tomorrow, if we look at this, it will display us the day, the month, and the year. But only the first day it will basically show this message. Okay, ask today. And here we can comment and post our comment. So now if I go to the profile, to basically my own profile, okay, I can see that I have asked a question here. I can see the question, the description itself, and beside that I can see two new buttons, one for edit my own question with the description, and the other is delete button, and the date will also be shown here. So as you can see now, the text is completely not editable. Okay, so we can't modify the text, but as soon as I click edit, what you will notice is here now the text becomes editable, right? We can, for example, I have made a mistake. I should capitalize the P, and how to create a custom form in WordPress, and the description. And now by clicking the save button, it will be saved, and it has nothing to display here, but as soon as I refresh the page, I can see the question, how to create a custom form in WordPress, that was published or basically asked at this time. And if I open this, now I can see the description here on the content part of this post. Okay, alright, so that is it. Let's explore a bit more and see what else we can do. So okay, so let's ask another question by clicking this, and you can say, you can ask a simple question: what is WordPress? And we can say just what is WordPress, and post the question. Alright, what is WordPress? Reload the page. Okay, so basically now we have two questions using this account, which is the admin account. One question and the other is two questions, right? So I have two questions here now. Let me go to the questions, the main page basically. Alright, so now we have two questions which belongs to the same author or to the same account. What we can do now is we can test this functionality using another account. So for that I use incognito window, and here I type the URL, and using this account we're logged in, but this account we're not. So I click the login button here quickly. Now I use another account to log in. Okay, 3. Alright, so now I'm logged in using another account. I click the forum button, and here is where I can see everyone's questions. And for now we have only two questions: WordPress, what is WordPress, and how to create a custom form in WordPress, and the details. Okay, so guess what happens if I click to see my profile page. Yes, you're right. I can't see any questions because on this account I haven't asked any questions, or basically this user doesn't have any questions, and that's why you can't see any. You go to forum, and now I can ask a question. So let's do that. Test title 1. Let's say test description 1. And right, we have it here, and just as soon as we reload the page, you can see test title 1 with the test description 1 and the comment section. Alright, so now if we go to, okay, sorry, now we're still here and we have 3 questions. Okay, so think that I want to create a comment. For example, someone else asked this question and now I want to comment, hey, if you watch these video series you will learn how to create a full section in WordPress without any plugin. Alright, I just posted my question, and now let's see. Okay, so this person says basically said, hey, this, and okay, so now we have the comment here, and the person who asked the question can even reply or thanks us or whatever. And if I go to this part, I have a new question. The description here, and then you go to the main page, and as you can see, because we replied to this question, now we have one comment here for this question. Alright, so what else I can show you is if I go to my own profile using this account. Now I can, for example, say this post is deleted and save, and here if I open this question, as you can see, edited, right? Good. So what else we can do is we can remove this, and by clicking this delete button it will be removed and there is no question here. And if I now go, we have it here. As soon as I reload the page, we don't have the third question anymore and we have only these 2. Okay, so this is all I created so far, and I know some of the functionalities are missed. Okay, so this is what I've done so far, and I know there are a lot of things missed, like there are a lot of functionalities we can add to this, and we can even work on the UI and make it better looking, but I let you improve this functionality. If there is something that you can't do and you need to know and you need to learn, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I will find out the way and I will add that functionality to this. And if you have any ideas, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be happy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this.